Hey guys, so you have a hot tub and you're building a new deck. Here's a few things to consider so you don't paint yourself into a corner. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we built a new deck for this client around their existing tub. And regardless of whether it's a new tub or existing, you have to consider a few things to make sure that you make this hot tub serviceable or keep it serviceable. So in this case, you still need to access either side of this tub to be able to service it. You have the pumps are located from the front panel here, the control board is in here as well. So this step actually is designed to give easy access into the tub, but it's also removable so that you have space to remove the front panel and service the tub. That's a key thing, because if you can't service the tub without taking your deck apart, you've got a problem. Also behind the tub here, we have a privacy screen system, and we've actually made this one set of screens fully removable, the posts as well, so that if you ever had to remove the tub or service it from the other end, there is room to work there and you're able to get it out without having to disassemble your deck. So when you're planning your deck and you are integrating your tub, there's a few key things to consider. That will be access and serviceability, and how you get it out in the event that your deck outlives your tub. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Have any questions, please do reach out. Have a great day.